here are some tips on how to get cheap airfare. Be flexible with your travel dates and times. If you can, avoid flying during peak travel times, such as weekends, holidays, and school breaks. Flying on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays is often cheaper. Early morning and late night flights are also often cheaper. Book in advance. The earlier you book, the more likely you are to get a good deal. However, there are also sometimes last-minute deals available, so it's worth checking back often. Use a flight search engine. Flight search engines allow you to compare prices from different airlines and travel websites. Some popular flight search engines include Google Flights, Kayak, and Skyscanner. Consider flying on a budget airline. Budget airlines often offer lower fares, but they may also have fewer amenities and stricter baggage restrictions. Be willing to fly into or out of a smaller airport. Smaller airports often have lower landing fees, which can translate into lower fares for passengers. Sign up for email alerts from airlines and travel websites. This way, you'll be notified when there are sales or special offers on flights. Use a VPN to search for flights. Airlines sometimes use your location to price flights. Using a VPN can help you see different prices. Clear your browser's cookies and cache before searching for flights. Airlines sometimes track your browsing history and use it to raise prices. Clearing your cookies and cache can help you avoid this. Consider flying into or out of a nearby city. If you're flexible with your destination, you may be able to find cheaper flights by flying into or out of a nearby city. Consider flying on a different day of the week. Fares can vary depending on the day of the week you fly. For example, flying on a Tuesday is often cheaper than flying on a Sunday. Consider flying on a different airline. Different airlines have different pricing strategies. Comparing prices from different airlines can help you find the best deal. Follow these tips, and save money on your next flight.